Children, this is fifth question. I think this is fifth question in 8.3. What is given in triangle ABC? Is given as PQ. Our line is there that meeting AB in P, AC in Q given sir, and AP length 1 centimeter given, PB is equal to 3 centimeters. AQ is equal to 1.5 centimeters, CQ is equal to 4.5 centimeters. He is asking to prove, what he is asking to prove, Nana? Triangle APQ, area of triangle APQ is equal to 1 by 16 of triangle ABC is asking to find out that answer. So, how to find it? Sir, here relation is areas relation in similar triangles means we have one big weapon is there. That is 8.6 theorem. Already we discussed in part 17th video. What is that information? Ratio of areas of to similar triangles is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. We know that information. Take the help of that information. Before we are going to take that information, then we need the two triangles are similar. Means triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC. And how to show? Any clue there is there? We have to check. For example, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, this is proof, Nana. Okay, in triangle ABC, there AB by, once I am checking the relation, AP by PB is equal to, there 1 by 3 is there. The same way AQ by QC is equal to, there 1.5 by 4.5. So we'll make them as simplest form. 1 by 5 ones are 1 by 3 are. So it is equal to 1 by 3. Oh, we get idea. I mean, this is looking like converse of basic proportionality theorem. According converse of basic proportionality theorem, we have to say PQ is parallel to BC. Sir, when PQ is parallel to BC and also there, and AB is transversal. Is it clear now? Sir, when it is transversal, that angle APQ is equal to angle B. Why, sir? Because they are corresponding angles. Okay, right is corresponding angles. Okay, now I am going to check these two triangles. So triangle APQ, comma triangle ABC. When I check these two triangles, for this triangle angle A is equal to, in this triangle also angle A. How, sir? Means common angles. They are the common angles. And in this triangle APQ is equal to, in this triangle angle B. How we know, sir? Just now we proved. Are you right? PQ and BC are parallel and AB is transversal, so that the corresponding angles are here. Therefore, triangle ABC, triangle APQ. So triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC. Right, Anna. We got that information. Now, our statement is applicable for this. What is that statement? That statement right here. What is that, Anna? Ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Right? So, but by the help of that information, I am writing as triangle APQ by triangle ABC is equal to AP square. It is the side of APQ, and its corresponding side in triangle ABC is AB square. So triangle APQ by triangle ABC is equal to, this is 1 square and this is the AB means total length, that's why 4 square. So what's the triangle APQ? Better you write area of. Beside, before that area of. Okay, area of. Okay, area of triangle APQ by Sir, area of triangle ABC is equal to, we get 1 by 16. So triangle ABC shift that side, we get triangle APQ is equal to 1 by 16 of area of triangle ABC. Okay, then this is the clear statement. Have you understand, Anna? Note it.